Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival. Good afternoon. Raksha Bandhan is a festival to celebrate a love between brothers and sisters. Raksha Bandhan is a symbolic of brotherly and sisterly love, as well as a duty to protect one another. It is believed that tying a rakhi around your brother's wrist serves as a reminder for him to honor his moral duty of protecting a family. Brothers also offer a gift as a symbol to their commitment to protect their sisters. And do you know why do we celebrate Raksha Bandhan and how do we celebrate Raksha Bandhan? So let's see a short video on significance of a Raksha Bandhan celebration.
Is it visible? Now it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Just a second.
As the month of August arrives, Indians all over the world get anxious to know the date on which Rakhi occurs. Rakhi lets boys and girls to behold their relation as brothers and sisters, despite of any kinship. The festival of Rakhi has its roots right in the epic of Mahabharata. Sri Krishna has an aunt named Sruta Devi. She gave birth to a deformed child called Sisupala. Elders reveal that Sisupala would be killed by the same person whose touch would bring him back to normality. One day, Sri Krishna came to his aunt's house. As Srutadevi placed her son in the hands of Krishna, the child turned to be handsome. Though his aunt was happy to look at her kid, she was frowned to know that his death would be in the hands of Krishna. She pleaded Krishna to pardon her child, even if a situation comes where he should be punished. Krishna was moved by her plea and said, "I will excuse him for his misdeeds, but I shall certainly punish him if he crossed the mark of 100 mistakes." Shishupala has grown up to be the ruler of Chedi kingdom. He is now a ruler and a relative of great Krishna as well. But he used to be very brutal. He used to torture people in his kingdom and clashed with Krishna very often. He once started to abuse Krishna before the whole court. That was it! Shishupala on that day has crossed his limit of 100 mistakes. And so did the patience of Sri Krishna. Krishna aimed his Sudarshan Chakra at Sisupala. Such was the case when Sisupala has risked his own life despite being warned to be good. As Krishna charged the Sudarshan Chakra in a range, his finger got cut in the course. Everyone around Krishna has rushed to bring something to tie around the wound. But Draupadi, who was standing there, did not hesitate. She immediately teared a piece from her sari and wrapped it around the wound of Krishna's finger. "Thank you, dear sister. You have come to my rescue in need. So will I help you whenever you are in trouble," assured Sri Krishna to Draupadi. This incident has led to the ritual of Raksha Bandhan. In later times, Krishna indeed kept his word by rescuing Draupadi when the Kauravas tried to insult her in full coat by dragging her sari. From thereupon, sisters were tying Rakhi to their brothers, and brothers in lieu would assure to look after their well-being throughout their lives. Other than Rakhi, a few more festivals take place on the full moon day. in the month of Shravana. Some change their sacred threads called Jandhiya on this day. So it's also called as Jhandiala Purnami. People in Odisha and West Bengal place the idols of Radha and Krishna in the cradle and swing them. Thus they call this day as Jhulan Purnami. Some states in North India sow the seeds of wheat on this day and they call the ritual as Kajari Purnami. The people in the states of Kerala and Maharashtra call this day as Narali Purnami as they worship the sea god. Though many such festivals were celebrated on this day, the prominent one that's celebrated all over the country, without any doubt, is Raksha Bandhan.
That was a wonderful video forum, ma'am. And kids, I hope you all have understood the significance of this festival. Why do we celebrate and how do we celebrate it? Okay. So now, are you all kids excited to make some surprise for your sibling? Are we all ready to do a nice activity?
Yes.
Come on, everyone, get your art materials. We'll start with the activity, okay? And let's surprise our siblings. So for this activity, what materials we need is one tinted paper, few colorful buttons, one black sketch pen, and the glue. Okay, are we all ready? Give me a thumbs up if yes. Okay, so let's start. First, you know what? Today we are going to make a nice and a beautiful card for a sibling. Yes? And we also need your sibling's photograph. Okay. So let's start. Let us take one tinted paper. You can take any color. Yes. Ready? The first step is we will fold it into half. Fold it like this into half. Like this. Fold it into half. Yes, nice. And see, this open side should be on your right hand side. Okay, this open side should be on your right hand side. Okay, yes. So see how the card opens like this. So we will keep this right hand side, open side on right side. Yes. Now we'll take buttons. We have two big buttons. Everyone have two big buttons? Show me two big buttons. Yes. So what we will do, we will take one button and we will stick it in the center of this page. Okay. I'll stick and show you how. Okay. We'll take one big button. We'll apply some glue on it. And this is how we will press and stick it. Like this. We'll apply little glue on back side of the button and we'll stick it like this. Press it. Done? Very nice. Good job, everyone. And after this, we will take two colorful small buttons. Okay, we'll take two small colorful buttons and we'll stick down. I'll show you. I'll stick and show you first. We'll put little glue. This one button and two button. Like this. See, this is how it will look. One big button up and two small buttons down. Okay, do this much and show me everyone. Let me see.
Ma'am, I have
Nice,
no
very good, Myra. Nice.
I have no button.
Okay, you have a foam sheet or any other colorful paper, so you can cut small circles and you can stick it with up.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. One big button on the top and two small one down. Like this. Yes, very good, Stuti. Nice. Nice, Manasvi. Okay, let's go to the next step. We'll take a black sketch pen. Next step is we'll take a black sketch pen. And from between these two buttons, we will draw one standing line. Like this. From between these two buttons, we will draw one standing line. Done this much? One big button on the top, two small buttons down, and from between these two buttons, we will draw one standing line. Yes, very nice, Vritti. Very good. Nice, Shivai. Good rhythm. Okay, after drawing a standing line, we will draw two slanting lines. Wait, I'll show you how. Like this. Two slanting line down and two slanting line up. Two slanting line up for hands, two slanting line down for legs. It's very simple. Two buttons, one big button on the top, two small buttons, one standing line, two slanting lines for hands, two slanting lines for legs. Show me this much once you are done. Nice. Very good, Shivai. Nice, Ayan. Nice, Nehit. Very good. Nice. Okay. After this, we will take other button. You have one more big button, right? We have two big buttons. One we have stuck and we'll take the other big button now. Let's take other big button and we'll stick it next to the first button. Wait, I'll stick and show you first. Put a little glue behind. And then we'll stick a second button next to it, but little down. Little down. We'll stick the other big button little down. This is how it will look. Nice. Very good, Shivai. Nice, Tuti. Is everyone do? Yes. Mahir, Johan, are you doing, beta? Very good, Rhythm. Okay. And from the these two buttons we had drawn one standing line, no? And from this second button we will draw a triangle. Okay, I'll draw and show it to you first. See, like this. We will draw one triangle but little slanting. From this second big button, we will draw one triangle, but it should be
Teacher?
little slanting.
Teacher,
Yes, yes, Anay.
look.
Okay, nice. You're not sticking buttons, you have buttons, Anay?
No buttons.
Oh, okay, you can stick paper, no worries. Okay, from the second button, we'll draw a triangle, but little slanting. Yes, nice. Okay, then again, we'll give two slanting line for hands. And for girl, we'll give two standing line for legs, like this. See, hands you have to join it little as if brother and sister are holding hands. Okay, so we'll give some circles on the hand, right? See, like this. Draw some circles on the ends of the hands and legs. Draw some circles. Like this. Can you see? On the ends of hands and legs, you have to draw small, small circles.
Archie man.
Yes, nice rhythm, very good. And you know what? In this triangle, we will stick colorful buttons. Okay, we will take some other few colorful buttons and we will stick inside this triangle. Let's stick few buttons, colorful buttons in this triangle. Let's stick few colorful buttons inside this triangle. See, like this. Stick some colorful buttons inside. Show me this much once you are done. Very good. Good job, everyone. You're doing it so nicely. Very good rhythm. Nice. Nice, Amatullah. Very good. And you know what? See, there are so... Yes, Ayan. Show me. Show me your card. Yes, nice. Very good. Good job, Ayan. So no, see there is some space down, up. Yes, very good, Shivai and Ritti. Nice work. Yes, Piha. Yes, very good. Very neat and nice work. Good job. Okay, so let's see. You have space up and down. So let's make some stars or heart. Okay, and color it. Okay. See, there is some blank space left up and little. Some are up and down. So let's make few heart or stars, and we'll color it. See, like this. Okay, we'll draw few hearts or star, whatever you like. We'll draw some, and then we will color it. Let's color. See, like this. We will draw a few hearts or star, and we will color it. Yeah. See, my beautiful card is ready. And when you open this card, it's blank. Yes? So here on the right hand side, you have to stick your sibling's photo. Okay? Your and your sibling's photograph. So what we will do here, inside, yes, very nice, Anay. Inside, inside on right hand side, we will stick our sibling's photograph. Yours and your sibling's photograph. Okay? If you don't have a photograph, we will write a message. Okay? If you don't have a photograph, we will write message. And what will be the message? Yes, parents, you all can help them to write. The message is Happy Raksha Bandhan to the best brother or sister in the world. Okay, what will be the message? Happy Raksha Bandhan to the best brother or sister in the world. Yay, and this is how your card is ready. Okay, we'll write. Happy Raksha Bandhan to the best brother.
Ma'am.
Yes. Nice, very good, Rhythm. Yes, so this is how we will write the message inside if you don't have a photograph. If you have it, you can stick your photograph. Very good. Nice, Avika. Like this. Yay, see, our card is ready. and your sibling, and you have to gift it to your sibling, and they'll be very happy to see this. Beautiful card made by everyone. Can everyone show me? Wow, nice, Avika. Nice picture.
Hey, I don't know what it is.
Nice, Shivai. Very good. Nice, very nice. Good job by everyone. See, our card is ready. We are done with this activity now.
I make a balloon.
Yes, you can make balloon. You can draw anything. Yes, good job by everyone. And now gift it to your sibling, okay?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Wonderful rhythm. Good job. Beautiful card.
Parents, please click picture and send it to us.
मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ।
Wow,
So we
Aarti
are
ma'am.
done.
Wow, Aarti ma'am, that was wonderful card. Kids,
Yes.
you two did an amazing job. 3 cheers for y'all.
3 cheers. Very good, everyone.
This is my sister design.
Look,
Very nice, Anay. Beautiful card.
this is sister, and this is my brother.
Wow,
Nice.
wonderful. Very nice.
Nice, Myra, Stuti. Very good. Nice pictures. Nice, Nihit. Good, Piha. Very nice.
Kids, I'm sure you must have all loved the card. So give this card to your brother or a sister as a token of love. Wonderful, Ayan. Wonderful, Myra. Superb, Shivansh.
मैं बहुत थक
Very nice. Good job. Good job, Ishan.
ये ले, ये ले, ये।
So, before we end, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all those who have contributed in making this program an enjoyable experience. We want to thank the management for their logistic support, encouragement, and guidance at every step. Nishta ma'am for supporting us in practical ways behind the scene. We are thankful to Hina ma'am and Tejal ma'am for their remarkable presence, guidance, and constant motivation. We would also like to thank each of you parents as you have been a constant support throughout. Thank you very much, everybody. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Have a wonderful Raksha Bandhan.
Happy Raksha